Good day, everyone. Rise above judgments of those who don't see your potential. During the pandemic, when the only real source through which we learned was through online and modular studies, because we couldn't really meet physically, as we were meant to keep distance from each other to prevent spreading the COVID-19 virus. I won't hide the truth or tell any other falsehood. I did not take the modules seriously. My failure to make it to the honor roll is therefore no surprise. I accepted that because I knew I didn't do my part. What really broke my heart was hearing from a relative saying that the reason why I didn't make it on the honors list is that I never studied enough and I would only play online games. It left such a big impression on me as I was talked behind my back, and the worst part is it came from someone very close to me. That would have broken my heart at that moment, but I used that pain, that frustration to prove to them and to myself that I can do more. When I took my college entrance exam, I told myself I will prove them wrong, and I did it. I passed the entrance exam and entered CSU, which opened the doors for me. It wasn't just a victory for myself, it was a reminder that no matter how many times you fall, you always have the power to rise and to keep moving forward. Life will test you, people will judge you, your resilience, your determinations, and your unwavering belief in yourself will define your future. I am still here, still motivated, still pushing because I knew my story doesn't end with someone else's judgment.